Hello, everyone. Here's a little bit about my journey as a psychic development student. I started as a beginner and now progressed to advanced level. Each level has been an incredible learning experience, introducing different techniques to access intuitive information, which is so cool. And one of the most important lessons I've learned is that not all intuitives follow a universal law that can respect the person being read, most importantly. Understanding who our spirit team is, where they come from, and their intention is crucial. So these fundamentals ensure that I receive information from spiritual guides with benevolent intentions for the good of all and to the harm of none. At each level, we met different guides and used various forms of communication, like writing, which was my favorite, repetitive symbols, and ancient candle flame reading. Very, very interesting. And so much more. We also had to become more specific with what we're picking up, even receiving information from places we've never seen or been to as a test. Assessments were very comfortable and safe, even though they can be daunting. Cindy's compassionate approach to tutoring made the process special and encouraging. The growth from one level to the next was evident, not just in techniques we learned, but also in the confidence and clarity we gained in our intuitive abilities. Throughout the course, the WhatsApp support group was incredibly helpful. We could share experiences, ask questions, and support each other, creating a sense of community and connection. This journey has been nothing short of transformative, and I'm so grateful for the growth I've experienced. The support from Cindy, all the other tutors, and my fellow cohorts have been invaluable, and I look forward to continuing this incredible path.